Hey guys, I'll just be showing you a quick demo of the Agent Studio on Isometrik AI. I'll try to create an agent in just a few minutes and show you how that can be integrated. Take an example of this site that one of our customers is using, which is a construction worker site, right? So I'm going to make a construction job description creator. So this is a construction job marketplace under commercial. Um, this is a category subcategory, and I can set up a job in a particular zip code, and I can then generate my job title with AI, or I can generate my job description with AI. So I'll quickly show you how we can make a um, agent really quick, right? So I'm going to call this the construction job details agent. I'll just use AI to create a job description. So I've got this copied. I've got this created here. I'll go insert this into a system prompt. So that's done. Give it a persona. You are a content editor for construction marketplace who creates SEO friendly job descriptions. Right? I've got that in there. Create high quality instructions. The job descriptions for construction industry. Give it an instruction. JD writer. I'll choose a LLM now. We have different options: OpenAI, Azure, Cohere, Llama. So let me choose one of these. Yeah, so I'll choose one of these from here. I can choose OpenAI, Azure, Cohere. Let's choose Cohere. It's not something that's commonly used. I've already got the keys here. Copy this. So we let people. You can use your own LLM API key. So that's something we have sorted here. Let's put the command R model. We can control the temperature and top performance. Now here we have options for enabling short-term memory, long-term memory, RAG knowledge base. We can go in and configure a knowledge base here if you would like. So we have given that as an option here, right at the bottom here, this RAG section, or we can enable OpenAI retrieval. For this particular agent, I don't need any of these, so I'll just continue. Now we have also enabled a whole bunch of tools that we can potentially use. Perplexity, Mail, Crawl for AI, a whole bunch of these tools are enabled, but at the moment we don't need any of these, so I'm just going to say done. Alright, so now my agent is created. Now if I go in here and if I want to test my agent out, we've given you an option here to test your agent, right? So I'll just refresh my page here quickly just to make sure I'm using the latest agent. Get into the studio, I go in here, I type whatever I want. So I'm going to say the category is commercial and subcategory is carpentry. Right, which one did I choose? Let me quickly go check. So let me generate commercial carpenter. Yeah, so I need a carpenter. I'll go back here. Carpentry rather, and job title is this. Location is Duluth, GA, Georgia, and my budget is $20 per hour to $40 per hour. Start date is 24th December 2024. End date is 23rd Feb 2025. Last date to apply is 10th December 2024, and 8 hours per day, all weekdays. I skills I would need are furniture building and let's say window repair, right? So I'll put this in as the the input fields, and I'll see if this creates the job description. Now I'm using Cohere as my LLM here. Let's see if it creates that. Now the parameters I'm taking are from this piece right here. So I can put in the start date as 24 December, end date as Feb 23rd, right? Weekdays 8 hours per day, 2 positions. Last day to apply was 10th December. Put in my budget as $20 to $40 an hour, right? And I'll put in some skills just for the heck of it. And I'll generate this with AI. Right now, I'll go in here and see if my JD is created. Yes, you can see that my JD is created. So I just created a job description agent in 5 minutes that can go in and create a SEO friendly job description for you. Now the cool part is all of these things, this is a test UI that we've given you on the studio, but this can also be used as an API. So I'm going to show you how that can be done. So I'll just go paste all this here for ease of use. I put in my session ID. So I go to my Swagger doc here. I put in my session ID. Right, let me just quickly put that here. Got my session ID. I put in my agent ID. Right, so I've got my agent ID here. So I go put that. Right, and put that here. Right, and whatever I use as my message, like for example this, I can copy paste that, right? So I paste this message here, which is the requirement, right? I put that in here. I don't need these, so I'm just gonna take this off. So I've taken this off, I'll want a comma at the end, and I execute. Right, when my request executes, it creates a curl request and it creates a response ID, right? Now we have another API where it's like similar to a webhook, where I can enter my response ID and I can fetch the result of the request. So if I click on execute, it would churn out this same text that I got as the response from my agent here, right? And I can look at this in a markdown viewer. If I go down here, I can just put in this and you can see that it creates the response right here. So this is a quick demo of how you could quickly create an agent on our studio. Tested out using the inference or the UI testing component that we have here, and also use this via an API to potentially integrate this into an application, right? So let me know what you guys think. This was the first demo I made. Happy to get some feedback. Thank you.